how to export code from Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to export code from Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser and then sign in to your Base44 account. Now go ahead and click on the apps button at the top left of your screen, and that will take you into the section. So in here, you will basically find all of the apps that you have created with Base44. Now select that specific app where you want to export the code from. So for example, I want to export the code of this specific app. I'll simply click on it, and then from here, you'll be able to find this code icon. So click on this, and then under this, you'll be able to find the list of files that are associated with the app that you have in here. So once you click on this export project as zip, you'll be able to export the code, all of the code that you have for this app as a zip file. So once you click on this, as you can see, you need to upgrade your plan to Builder Pro, Elite, or Enterprise. So you'll need to upgrade your plan from free to this specific subscriptions, and then once you have upgraded your plan, you can go ahead and export the zip file. So once you have exported the zip file, assumingly, you need to unzip it on your device, and then once you unzip it, you'll be able to find all of the code that you have for this specific app on Base44. And that is how you can basically export code on Base44.